Okay, now we're going to look at combination vowels in Korean. Now, I always get confused when we talk about combination vowels, so I think this will be helpful for students.
네.
So we've already looked at consonants and vowels in the Korean alphabet.
네.
So we've got a list here. I guess we've got 10 combination vowels. So these are using the vowels that we've already seen
네.
to make different sounds,
네.
right? So Robert,
Basically, you're adding the sound value of the second vowel
okay.
to the first vowel.
Okay, all right.
네.
So in each case, we're just combining
네,
two
네.
vowels
네.
to make a new sound or adding.
Usually it works. Sometimes.
Yeah, like I said, it's confusing for me,
네.
so it's important to practice.
네.
So we've got 3 examples here to start us off.
So 이거는 여기 이거는 this is not this one.
Right.
이거는 but it's longer than this one. 그래서 vowel 1, vowel 2.
Right.
근데 you're gonna say the second vowel after you say the first vowel.
Right.
그래서,
So
네.
in this case, the rule can be left to right
yeah.
for reading.
Yes. Right.
Okay.
그래서 요게 의예요.
Yep.
의. 그다음에 and then this one.
Right.
그래서
의.
이. 그러니까 의.
의.
네.
Right.
의.
Right. Okay, so that's right up here,
네.
our first example. So
네.
again, we need the consonant to make a character, to make a syllable.
네,
So
네.
it becomes 의,
네.
의.
의자.
의자.
네. 의자.
So chair in Korean, 의자.
의자. 그리고 이거는 우 is the first one. 그러니까 우 and 이.
Right.
So 위.
위.
네. 위.
위. So 우, 이
네,
becomes
우, 이.
위.
위.
So 의, 위.
위. 의, 위.
Okay.
그런데 이제 이거는 exception 있어요.
Right.
Yeah. When it's with H, then he예요. he.
Right.
Yeah, don't say
Right.
그냥,
Yeah, so the 의,
음.
if it's written with the H consonant, and this is quite common for names in
네,
Korean, right?
네.
So I would not pronounce 휘,
No.
it just becomes he.
네.
He.
음.
Okay.
뭐 이렇게 이렇게 있으면 first name
지희.
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 Right.
이런 식으로.
Okay.
네.
We might as well look at our second example here.
네.
So looks like a passport, a Korean passport
네.
with some American money. Someone going on a vacation.
네.
So how do I say passport in Korean?
여권.
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 Okay.
여권.
So here is our combination vowel in
네.
the second syllable, 권.
네.
Okay, so I look up here, same thing,
음.
right? So this is a combination of the u and the sound,
네.
and together they make
워.
wo,
네. 우, 워.
right? u,
네.
wo.
워. 그래서 여기 G 있어요. 그러니까 워 and down here 권.
Right. Yes, sir.
여권.
Our G consonant and our N consonant, so 권,
네.
권.
여권. 그리고 이거는 these two guys, maybe we can do these two guys a little bit later.
Okay, here are my
네.
least favorite combination vowels.
이거 same.
Okay,
gonna add just the Y onto these two
Right.
guys.
yeah,
근데 요것만 이제 하면 돼요.
okay. So,
not easy ones.
well, to me these are easier.
아 그래요?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
These ones I get confused because the sound,
네.
it's hard to distinguish between.
Oops. 네.
Okay, you want to get rid of all of these?
네.
Okay, so let's start with our 오아.
네. 이거는 it should be 와.
와.
그런데 it's pointing up.
Yeah.
그래서 it's O. 그런데 like we did this one, 우, you still say 우,
Okay.
and then add the there.
Okay.
So, 와.
So it's almost like the sound,
이거는
but
우어. Yes. Yeah, same.
Yeah.
우, and then
Right.
그래서 와예요. 그러니까 when it's a combination vowel, O and O, or 우 and 그러면 you say just 우 for the first one. 우, and then add the second vowels.
Okay.
Sounds better.
So in this case, a little special because
네.
the O becomes more of a W, more of
right.
an U.
Yeah.
Okay.
와.
Wa.
그래서 이것도 위, 우, 이, 워, 우어, still 우,
Okay.
와. 와예요. 와.
Wa.
네.
Wa. Can you think
와.
of a word? Maybe apple? Apple in Korean.
네.
We would see that, right?
이렇게.
So apple in Korean is 사과.
사과.
So 사, 과.
네. 사과.
So it almost sounds kind of like a GWA, right?
네.
과.
이게 이제 여기 between two vowels.
Right.
그래서 사과.
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 Okay.
사과.
사과.
네.
Okay. All right, so that's our wa.
네.
The o-a
네.
becomes wa next to that.
네. 잠깐만요.
Okay, we'll spend a little more time on this.
사과, 애플.
Yeah.
근데 에듀 선생님 또 다른 뜻 알아요? 사과, 사과하다.
사과하다. To fight? No.
Apology.
To apologize,
네,
right?
그래서-
After a fight, you can apologize.
이게 사과예요.
Yeah.
근데 어느 날 남자친구, 여자친구 싸웠어요. Next morning, or next day, 남자친구가 여기 사과를 이렇게 리본으로 이렇게 타협해가지고 리본.
Yeah.
It is my apology. 사과.
So boyfriend and girlfriend, if they fight,
네.
then the next day
네.
the boyfriend comes to apologize with an apple wrapped in a ribbon
네.
and say, here is my apple, here is my apology.
네. Yeah.
All right, so maybe a useful verb and vocabulary
네. 사과.
for people who fight out there.
네.
Okay. So 사과 can mean apple,
네.
and 사과하다,
네. 사과하다.
apologize.
네.
Okay.
그다음 이거는 I think we have to do this now.
Okay. There's no avoiding it. Okay. So yes, in our combination vowel here, we do have to confront
네.
the e sound. Okay.
여기에 하나 있어요.
Sure.
네.
So we've got an example here in the last syllable.
네.
Okay.
이거는 그러니까 let me say it first. 대.
대.
예. 대.
대.
에.
에.
이건 에예요. 에.
에.
화장대.
Right.
이거.
Yeah.
대. 그다음에
Yeah, so actually we also have our wa sound at the front here.
네,
So
good. 네.
화장실.
메이크업.
Okay.
화장. 네.
Okay, so for bathroom, 화장실.
네.
화장대, to put on makeup or just makeup?
To put on makeup.
To put on.
화장하다 그럼 putting up on makeup.
Okay.
네.
Okay, so let's get back to the 에.
네.
Okay, so 화장대.
네. 또 대인데 이건 에예요. 에. I don't know how to spell it. 네.
Again, I've seen this spelled maybe A-E.
에이.
A-E.
네.
Yeah. So maybe this is a bit of a longer version of this one.
자,
No?
let me say them.
Okay.
에.
Right.
에.
에.
About the same.
Okay.
근데 이거는 이제 뭐 이렇게 되면 데스크.
데스크.
에.
에.
Sorry, my pronunciation not very good.
Well,
데.
so yeah, so I've seen this one written as A-E and this one just written
do
as
too.
E.
네.
Right?
그러니까 when you spell 이렇게
Yeah.
한국 사람 이렇게 말해요. 데.
Okay.
데.
대.
근데 이렇게 하면 한국 사람 이렇게 말해요.
대.
데.
Right. Yeah.
This.
So to me, this sounds a little muffled. Maybe not shorter, but we have e and e,
네, 네.
right?
Good. 네.
So it's just this is a little bit of a bigger sound or a brighter sound.
네. 그래서 뭐 bird
Yeah.
or new 새.
새.
예,
새.
새. 새. 이거는 뭐 하나 둘 셋 넷.
예.
세 개.
세 개.
예, 여기 셋.
셋.
셋. 예. 예. 세 개. 이건 새. 뭐
새.
wide.
Right.
새.
Right.
이건 새. 새.
Right.
새. 예.
Right. So more of an maybe can we just do the distinction?
네.
A,
에. 에. 에.
A, A.
Yeah.
Okay.
네.
Now, if we look at the two combination vowels beside our e and
네.
e, this is just adding y.
네, 네.
Right.
그래서 이거는 에, 예,
Okay.
예,
Yeah.
예, 얘기,
Right.
얘기.
Talk, right.
네, talk. 예, 얘기. 이거는 이렇게 하면 예, like yes.
Yeah.
예, 예, 이건 예, 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 예.
Right.
It's different.
Again, to me, this is still confusing after 3 years.
네,
But yeah, so e,
네.
yeah,
Yeah, good.
e, yeah.
Very good.
Okay.
좋아요.
First
네.
time I've gotten it. Okay. So we've looked at this. Now we can go back
네.
and add another
그래서,
vowel to this
네.
combination.
그러니까 이거는 에예요.
E, yeah.
근데 이거 pointing up 봤을 때 we're gonna say 우.
Okay.
그러니까 우 plus 에.
We still don't have the O sound.
Right.
Still sounds more like an U sound.
네.
So like a W, E,
네.
we,
왜?
we.
왜 알아요? 왜?
Y.
Why?
Right? Y in Korean, we.
왜? 네. 왜? 우, 에, 왜?
We.
왜요? Why?
왜요? Yeah.
왜?
Okay.
요 casual Korean
Polite.
sentence ending.
Right. Polite ending.
네.
If you want to ask we,
왜요?
why? Yeah, more polite to say 왜요.
Children might say just 왜?
Right.
Adult 왜요?
Okay. Our last combination vowel in the list,
네.
it looks like OE,
네.
but pronunciation
Totally different.
totally different.
네.
Okay.
이거는 just change one. 그래서 이거는 we know this one. We're gonna change this to. 그다음에 이거는 say 이, but we're gonna say 에. 에. Like 왜? What is that?
We're missing something.
아하. Wow, we are missing one.
Yeah.
감사합니다.
Yeah.
여기에
So our
여기에 이렇게 하고 이렇게
right,
있어야 돼요.
right.
그래서 이건 우하고 에 요거 this one 에 그래서 우에 왜
We.
like a 웨이터
Right. Weita, or
네.
I've seen wedding
네,
written in Korean. Wedding.
네, 웨딩 그래서 이렇게 yeah,
Right.
웨딩
So that's one combination vowel that we didn't have listed. So it's the u and the e.
네
Okay. And this OE
음.
becomes pretty much the same sound,
Yes,
right?
right. 그래서 이게 이지만 in this one 여기에서는 에로 해요. 에.
Right. Even if it is written E,
이.
the pronunciation becomes E
네.
or E.
그래서 여기 우, 에,
Ue,
왜,
we.
왜. 그래서 왜 나무. Maybe it's been better. Raw fish 좋아해요?
Sure. Yeah. So I like Korean raw fish, which is called
회.
회.
예. 회예요. 회. 그래서 원래는 이제 이렇게 해야 돼요. 생선, fish.
Right.
야, 회, raw
Okay.
fish. 생선 회, sashimi.
Sashimi, right?
네.
So Korean sashimi, Korean
네,
sushi is called
음.
hue or
회,
생선 hue.
야, 생선 회.
Yeah. Another one of my favorite foods
네.
in Korean, doenjang jjigae. I think we see the same combination vowel, right?
네, 네. 자, 이렇게.
Yeah. So in our first syllable,
네,
it looks like OE,
네.
looks like doin,
네.
but pronunciation becomes duen,
된,
doenjang. We haven't seen our
찌,
double
yeah.
consonants yet, but this becomes kind of chi,
찌개.
ge,
음.
and our e
음.
sound. So doenjang chige.
야, stew.
Chige means stew, yeah,
네.
and doenjang means
소이빈
paste, right?
paste. 네,
Mm.
it's from bean.
Right.
된장. What's soybean?
In soybean?
Yeah.
Well, soybean is the bean
Ah.
used to make
더
soy sauce, and
간장.
ganjang
네.
comes from yeah. So
음,
ganjang is soy sauce
soy sauce.
in English,
네.
right?
네. 된장 찌개.
Right.
된장 찌개.
So combination vowels,
네.
not the easiest thing to learn in Korean.
No. 그래서 뭐 보면 의, 위, 워, 그다음에 왜, 에, 이거는 넓어요.
Yeah. Bigger sound.
네, 이거는 와, 왜, about the same.
Yeah. Oh, so
네,
where, and where.
네.
Right.
네.
Okay. Lots of practice to do.